They've literally just been brought here. Someone's found them just in the bins. Jackie's just gone to get a box for them and some food. I've literally just thrown it in there on a tissue for like a minute. Oh my god. Oh my god, they're like zombies. Oh my god. Hey! Hey! Hey, 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 hey!
These 5 innocent babies were dumped in a box by a bin.
So hungry. I have never seen babies so hungry. They're literally like eating my finger, and one of them, I put the bit of spoon of food in there, and then one of them was just eating the other one's face. He wouldn't let go. Like they're ravenous.
We temporarily put them in a plastic box with some food while we prepared somewhere for them to live. A couple of them didn't seem to be eating too much food, so we tried them with some kitten milk. We used syringes and baby bottles to give them kitten milk every few hours, as well as putting food down for the ones that could eat.
This baby's a little monster when he's hungry. Or she. I'm not sure if it's a he or she. I'm still really bad at telling if they're boys or girls. But we got 4 girls and 1 boy. And this one was making the other one scream because he must have been like, when he's hungry, he just bites. Just clean your mouth. Because you've got food everywhere. Doesn't want to. Come on. So we're taking them out one at a time. I gave all of them some milk and some food, and then I've put them all back, and I'm going round again in case anyone wants extra, because I didn't want to spend too much time on each one in one go, because the last one that's waiting would be waiting like 45 minutes. So I've done all of them in about half an hour. Now I'm doing my second round. Bless them. So 3 of them now eat food by themselves, and 2 of them still need milk, so I'm going to give them milk. So cute. Oh my god. They're watching him do a poo. Oh, you were watching him do a poo.
I wish I could say that we were shocked to find that some heartless person had dumped these babies in a box by a bin. But sadly, this is a very common occurrence here in Spain and in many other countries too. I'm just so glad that these guys were found and brought to us.
So this one's got crusty eyes, so we've got to give him some eye drops. It's okay, baby. It's okay. Baby. Hoppa. Oops. What are you doing? What are you doing? Oh, baby. Hoppa. What are you doing?
So just a little introduction to who we are. We are Street Cats Rescue Conil, a non-profit organisation in the south of Spain. Street Cats was founded by Jackie Palmer back in 2008, and it's been improving the lives of cats in this area ever since. We have a sanctuary where we have about 70 cats. About half of those are adults who are free roaming in the garden, and the rest are kittens who are up for adoption. On top of that, we care for about 30 cat colonies across Conil. We provide food and medical care for most of these colonies, and of course we do our best to neuter as many of them as possible. Sadly, there are still so many people out there that don't believe in neutering their cats, and these are the same people that will then go and dump unwanted babies in boxes. It just doesn't make any sense to me. Like, just neuter your cats, guys, and then you'll prevent further suffering. One beautiful baby? Two beautiful babies? 3, 4, 5 beautiful babies. After having seen a lot of ill kittens this year, it was such a relief to see that they were completely healthy, full of energy, and just playing with each other.
What's up, baby?
When these kittens were dumped here, we still had some kittens here who were about 6 months old, who we'd been trying to find homes for all this time, so we were really worried about the idea of having 5 new kittens who could also potentially end up staying here another 6 months. We don't get enough adoptions here in Spain, and so we actually end up taking in more kittens than we end up adopting out. So when we get lots of kittens dumped in one go, we do get quite worried as to how we're going to find homes for them. So one of the babies is still drinking milk, and the other 4 are eating food. Yay! They make such a mess when they eat. They step in it and then they walk around. Oh, bless you, baby. So cute. Hi, babies. They're all hungry. Once they'd grown a bit more, we put them in a cage and put them outside
1,
with the rest of the kittens.
2, 3, 4, 5.
By sheer luck, someone happened to visit us who had a friend who worked at an animal sanctuary in Germany. Her friend was in Spain with her and came to visit us at the sanctuary. When she saw these kittens, she fell in love and she immediately told us that she would take them to Germany with her and find homes for them.
Hello, kitties.
Her and her friend were driving back to Germany, so they were able to take the kittens in their car and they have now found homes for all of them.
You're crazy. There's 2 of them, keep quiet.